Bay windows add charm, natural light, and usable space to a home, but like any feature exposed to the elements, they require consistent care to stay in top condition. With their extended design and multiple panels, bay windows benefit from regular maintenance to ensure long-term performance and comfort. For homeowners in Washington, following a few practical maintenance tips can help keep bay windows functioning smoothly and looking beautiful for years to come. Clean glass and frames regularly. Routine cleaning is one of the easiest and most effective maintenance steps. Dust, pollen, and grime can build up on glass and frames, affecting both appearance and operation. Washington homeowners should clean bay window glass with a gentle cleaner and soft cloth to avoid streaks or scratches. Frames can be wiped down with mild soap and water to remove buildup and prevent surface wear. Inspect seals and caulking. Bay windows rely on proper sealing around the frame and between panels to block air and moisture. Over time, caulking and seals can crack or deteriorate. Homeowners in Washington should periodically inspect these areas for gaps or visible wear. Addressing small seal issues early helps prevent drafts and moisture intrusion that can affect comfort and window performance. Check for drafts and air leaks. Feeling air movement near a bay window can indicate a developing issue. Drafts often result from worn seals or shifting components. Washington homeowners should pay attention to temperature changes near bay windows. If drafts are noticed, prompt maintenance can restore proper sealing and improve indoor comfort. Maintain hardware and moving parts. Many bay windows include operable side panels that allow ventilation. These components rely on hinges, locks, and tracks that should be kept in good condition. Homeowners in Washington should open and close these panels periodically to ensure smooth operation. If movement feels stiff, cleaning or light lubrication can help maintain performance. Keep the exterior clear of debris because bay windows extend outward. They can collect leaves, dirt, or debris on the sill or roofline above the window. Debris buildup can trap moisture and lead to surface wear. Washington homeowners should clear debris from the exterior of bay windows regularly. Keeping these areas clean supports drainage and helps protect the window from moisture-related issues. Inspect support structures. Bay windows often include support brackets or framing elements that help carry the window's weight. These supports should remain secure and properly aligned. Homeowners in Washington should occasionally check visible supports for signs of loosening or wear. Addressing support issues early helps maintain structural stability and window performance. Monitor interior finishes. Interior trim and surfaces around bay windows can show early signs of moisture or air leakage. Discoloration, peeling paint, or soft spots may indicate a maintenance need. Washington homeowners should keep an eye on these areas and address any changes promptly. Early attention prevents small issues from turning into larger repairs. Clean and maintain screens. If your bay windows include screens, regular maintenance is important. Dusty or damaged screens can reduce airflow and detract from comfort. Homeowners in Washington should remove screens occasionally for gentle cleaning and inspect them for tears or loose edges. Well-maintained screens support fresh air without sacrificing usability. Test window operation seasonally. Seasonal changes can affect how windows operate. Testing bay window panels at least twice a year helps identify issues early. Washington homeowners benefit from opening and closing operable panels during these checks to ensure everything functions as expected. Consistent care leads to long-term performance. Bay windows are an investment in comfort and style, and regular maintenance protects that investment. Simple habits like cleaning, inspecting seals, and clearing debris go a long way. For homeowners in Washington, practical maintenance helps bay windows continue delivering natural light, comfort, and beauty, making them a lasting and enjoyable part of the home.